it's your girl Annie. Come back at you with another video. So today I'm gonna just get right into it because I look a hot mess. I have no makeup on because today we're gonna be trying out the E.L.F. magnetic face mask. Like, bruh. So we're gonna be trying this out to see if it's really magnetic. Okay, so it comes with this. I'm not too sure what this is. The magnifying magnet. Comes with the magnet, alright? And then this is the face mask. What? This smells good. Y'all see this? This smells really good. Okay, so in this little bag, it came with a lot of these, and you could just wrap it around the magnifying wand so that it's an easy cleanup. It feels so weird. Am I the only one who puts like face masks on like sporadically? Like I don't have a, what do you call it? Like I don't finish one side and then go to the next. Like I just start wherever my heart's desire. This smells really good. There's so much in here because it literally lasts me like a week. Right? I think all my face is covered. to 10 minutes so that it could dry. So I'll see you in 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. So we finally gonna see what the deal is. If it really happens. So nervous, but I got my mirror right here. And we shall see. It said put it close to your face, but like not too close. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Y'all see that? Yeah, it feels so weird. It feels like, I don't know, it feels like you're personally like plucking yourself, like your hair. But like it doesn't hurt. It's just like a weird, it's just a weird tingly feeling. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look. Can you guys see that? Let's see. Y'all see that? It's like peeling it off. That's insane. Oh my god. Let me get closer so you guys can see. That's insane. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and I'm not even like rubbing it or like sticking it on my face. And then look, like you can even tell. You can tell how it looks like on this. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Y'all see this? I'm gonna go and finish it off and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. So I recommend this. It's not sponsored at all. I just really wanted to try it because this is like my first face mask. So why not make it? Why not do, try the one that's magnetized? You know what I mean? Like, why not? But yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Come back for another video. If you like this video, thumbs it up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Comment down below if you guys want to see more face mask video. I could do a DIY face mask for you and like review them to see how like they go with my skin tone and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see more of that, please comment down below and I'll be happy to do it.
So we flexing, 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 coming from the western. Tell him stop texting, texting, troubling you and flies on the pesting. Interesting, money off a double car we spending. Stepped in, bowling like the 10 pin. Groovy, movie high spending. Painting name Madison, but I want the bread. Now, I'm paranoid, I got to pat it down. I been the man like Zaga's out. I said I been the man like Zaga's